now next we're just going to check the crank and cam sensor. These can be checked individually. Crank angle sensor, we have camshaft position sensor, or when we pick either or, then we also have a measurement combi. I'll show you this in a moment. So we have measurement continuous signal power supply, because the cam sensor is a Hall type sensor. But for this we'll just go into the combi one. It's an interesting one. So measurement combi, we're going to be checking the signal from the cam and the crank sensor together, and with this, when we have a known good sample, we can check if the valve timing is correct. There is other ways of checking this with the scope, with pressure transducers and different methods, but this is by far the quickest and easiest method, providing you have a known good sample. So right, it's telling us channel 1 on pin 1 on the crank sensor, channel 2 on pin 2 on the cam sensor. Again, you can click on this, get information about the sensors, how they work. But here we'll just launch up the scope. So now we have a known good sample here. Press start and start her up. Oh, sorry, still have to connect the cam sensor. I already have the crank sensor connected because it's a bit difficult to get in at. You know, I had to remove the air filter box to get into it. But that's already connected up. So I'm just going to connect to the cam sensor on pin 2. Now we're connected up. We'll just start up. Now, so we have a crank and cam signal. Now if we want to do a comparison, then to see if the timing is correct, so here we can turn off our reference one. If we just want to look at the reference and we don't want to see the vehicle signal, we can just hit reload. So just press play again to get both of them up. Now if we pause the scope at the correct time, we'll be able to scroll across and overlay one on top of the other. Might be there. Let's try it. Now you can see here, near enough bang on. There's a slight variation in our valve timing on this vehicle, but it's very minor. Most of the time on vehicles like this, you're looking for it to be a complete 2-house. So if it was a 2-house, it'd be a lot bigger difference than this. So that's the crank and cam synchronization. This is very useful if you're getting a crank or cam sensor fault or synchronization fault, and you want to be sure whether it's the sensor, figure out whether it's the sensor problem, valve timing problem, etc. So with this test, we've eliminated the crank and cam sensors because they're working okay, the signal voltage is okay. But you can see if the valve timing is out, so we have very simple, quick check. You can know if the valve timing is right or wrong like that. If it is out, then the next step is to inform the customer. We may strip off the timing cover and see what's going on if it is off. So that's about it today. I said keep an eye on our YouTube channel and on our website for other videos on this. We'll be doing some more. This is just a brief run through on one vehicle, so we'll be doing it on more vehicles in the coming videos. Thanks, bye.